Now, let's learn about the slide tool in Adobe Premiere Pro. The slide tool allows us to move a clip left or right on the timeline while automatically adjusting the clips before and after it. The important thing to understand is that the duration of the selected clip stays the same, but the surrounding clips change to make room. Now let's play the timeline.
Trails of grey smoke drifting around the boxes, keeping the bees calm and gentle. Smoke drifting around the box.
Here, when the speaker says the word boxes, we want this clip to start exactly at that point. But notice this small icon on the clip. This means the clip has a restricted length and cannot be extended any further. Because of this limitation, the rolling edit tool will not work in this situation. Rolling edits need extra frames on both sides, and here we don't have them. So instead of adjusting the edit point, we need to move the entire clip to a new position. This is where the slide tool is the correct choice. Simply select the slide tool, click on the clip, and drag it left or right. Now let's play the timeline.
Keeping the bees calm and gentle. In the distance, the apple trees were just of grey smoke drifting around the boxes, keeping the bees calm and gentle. In the distance, the apple trees were just starting to bloom.
The clip moves to the correct position while the surrounding clips automatically adjust to make room. And notice, the clip itself keeps the same duration. The clip before it is trimmed shorter or longer. The clip after it is trimmed shorter or longer. This is very useful in storytelling when we want to refine pacing without rebuilding edits. The slide tool lets us move a clip forward or backward in time while automatically adjusting the surrounding clips. It preserves the clip's duration and the overall timeline length, making it perfect for fine-tuning timing and pacing without creating gaps or breaking sync.